Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. While Umra scheme hangs in mid-air, retrieving trapped miners becomes difficult due to heavy rain, says Disaster Management Minister Shillong. The Bedi Festival starts from today, and construction of Government Medical College in Shillong still seems a distant dream for ALHEC. And now the news in detail. The Minister for Health, Shri ALHEC, informed that the scheme that pertains to the cleaning and conservation of River Umra and prevention of its flooding has been estimated to reach 40 crores. This project is currently half completed. Mr. Heck added when he was the Minister in charge of water resources, he had written to the central government and to Ms. Umra with regard to the scheme. According to him, the talks on the scheme had progressed to a great extent and was taken up for further discussion at the level of the Central Water Commission and the Brahmaputra Board. But when he had been assigned to another department, talks on the scheme came to a standstill.
Water Resources Minister, I do a proposal to the Government of India for Umra Bharati, Water Resources Minister, the Government of India. Kita project coba estimate ada 1 crore tingkah. Hadir bangala board bala pelong meeting apa wat kadu ka Brahmaputra Board CWC Central Water Commission pelong meeting wat ka Umra Bharati la board ng Singapore akam Meghalaya ASHA hadir banga hamlong syuk banga kumu Water Resources Minister ada pun lawan no berkiwi pergi Minister Datater dua mentah dengan PDI kenapa hengu kenapa budin ni kata kamu berpengaruh ngakan pula ban budin tu dia nomor apa Delhi lu ka Umra Bharati belum ka honorable Union Minister lah Singapore Government of India water tu kawan blok jadi yang tahu ke kamu kalau senya kita pun hengu bakal senya yang mentah.
The opening of the Government Medical College in Shillong still seems a pipe dream due to the shifting of the TB hospital to Umra, disclosed the Minister of Health, Shri ALHEC. Speaking to media persons, he said that the government has plans to construct the medical college in Umra around the Maudiang area, but due to insufficient space of only 17 acres of land, this does not meet the required area as per the guidelines of the Medical Council of India, which states that 22 acres of land is the prerequisite for medical colleges. He further informed that the problem of land is looked upon by the Department of Rural and Development, though it might take time due to the pandemic.
Fee ya ke Shillong Medical College kepada website ya ke MOU na do araja kata ya ke ni di bangla shimti mengaku health minister araja kalai datater Melayu iba katu wajaka kepala website agreement MOU buat ke KPC dan benda Meghalaya Medical College yang dah ka existing TB hospital. Ini kerja kam dalong nabiang kamar baki surap ru kirong ibarit dekat ke Meghalaya Shillong Medical College menurut kami kerja kam dulu jadi bala ada background baki KPC kepada ki private partner dan tani Shillong Medical College ni orang iki la dalong na eman shift no yang ni kerja sate siapa Umsauli New Shillong Tikilawan pet kerja tikilaya menjuri kata tambah tu kerja Kerion Khanyo eka dekat kum ga MCI dom dan sna yik medical college rekam arko eka di mentai la tho siapo ka Urban Affairs bagi ladap long meeting hang ni ko kamba dengaru dekat badu minister honorable minister dan Urban Affairs bagi official yang Urban Affairs yang health department bagi revenue ko juga buat tikila menjur ban ai yang kata kesaneka hadirin bah bila menjadi pada kesang negara di kawan lo lockdown hadirin bawan ketika pandemik Ri gawan ngani pandemic, ri melawan ngani ka pandemic. Tiya ketika Umsawi Kemengisna nagam da TB hospital. Apanan kam no ya ka kum ka COVID hospital. Hak tu gipon muncul lockdown wan la quarantine center. Dan mentai ashna sundan da COVID hospital. Step down COVID hospital. Jadi dan da daw lakham suki ya gani ke jingyach kamat kabai dei bat gani ka Shillong Medical College ang mga ka Shillong Medical College kanam.
Meghalaya Disaster Management Minister Kirman Shilla today informed that it has become very difficult to retrieve the miners who were trapped inside the coal mine in East Jaintia Hills district. Talking to the media, Shilla informed that the authorities involved in the rescue operation of the miners has become very difficult as the water keeps on surging due to heavy rain. He said the army personnel are finding a Herculean task to retrieve the miners as the water level at the mine is at 200 meters.
Information na Deputy Commissioner John East Jaintia Hills iba Karmal ki ila itu ba kumba CTU manta ka water level ka Q kumba na ka manchwa ka water level ka don chispa san feet kila puli ka after pumping ka one ka chispa ka profit haden nang to kila ya se ye kitu ki laingut ki met mo but ana haden kata pat mantaka water level kala increase cheka aspa feet kabalong next to impossible mantaki neviru kilong comes irhi ban dive as of now tenakata kadaw ka don progress hakini shite yo naga daw bachur pala islam te as of now don chuki ke recovery ba so tanan panoy pi inde ba so tanan rei ba long ba shukwa ban puntip mai bai ba ya ka expenses hado henry tare kat kum kaching ong jong I deputy commissioner kala poi kumba 20 to 25 lakh approximately me iru impact don ki details 100% impact calculate rei ong approximately will be 20 to 25 lakh ka cost pala pulut hang to so ladang idang continue shu ye ka process ka operation kandang queue rei as of now the kita de cost jong ka but hopefully na liang government bakin pay ye ke buran kam na marni iba it's not possible khamtam hakini ki season bu kumle mah bajur slab ngila matru last time po ka area hapok san kumnongi iba ngimla ban le persya ye to ko jur pala slab jung bun jung ko ngimla ban sei dut ye kitu bi mentaru ka la banja namar kini ki bi ki bedang sa kim don shu hakamin shaf don shu po krem tenang kata kadaw shu po krem ban sei kan ni ka jung bun jung ko kam long ko ba sup ye ki navy le ne ye ki bri jong mo ki personal ban ba ye kan.
Shri Kirman Shilla also gave his clarification that the concerned department does not distribute plastic rice to the ICDS centres and to the other related centres.
Kidon gitu kiba ong ba don utau plastic rice mix mo the hamne nalian chungi ngi ong ba mde plastic rice ki don ki perlo ki basyo to bakla ki dang mut bo de plastic rice don ne khau 10% hap at ha ka we ka bag 10% utau khau ba la grind after that sa shnabyang ha ka ship jong khau Yautau kau pilasan thui dala dep grind and then make it back haga shape jong kau meat shoe exactly Yauta not only rice unde tang ba shoe grind then make it back as a rice andre don kita ki chemicals ki kenja dawai bante ya kemet jong priu kata ke de namar as per the norms jong ka ministry kila batha bahab le kita so kini ki ba supply yo ne kau ki la le ya kata budon kam as per ke norms te hangni ngakan mau ila itu ini ki perlu bu ki manufacturer ki ong kecu ke allocation ke don hapo manipur ro te cheteru kila ai ya ke clarification ba mde plastic rice namar ka shape it really look mitna chuma ban pe namar bo de khau ba hapsna da mo but at the end he there's nothing plastic added on it tang kita hi ki kinja dawai ki vitamins badon kam tang kita hi baat hal kau but make it back shape jong kau ke ke jing ong jong nga pun sneu thu ha kata ko kom hari ka bahahi bikin le ya gitu ka ayu ban taste no yo to kha khana makin lap whether it's a plastic or not but hadu mantarung ano ba umdi plastic rice hakan kurkum bomde but still nganam ong bomde let it come with the proper testing lab testing ke report nang ta kin say to e ban convince kabai kumta.
The 4-day religious festivals of the Panar community commenced today with the bringing of the sacred log known as Knong and performance of other rites and rituals. The Bedding Clump festival is to drive away the plague and other evils from the society. The festival is an occasion to thank God the Creator for all the blessings that He has showered on the community during the last 1 year. The festival also provides an occasion to invoke God to continue showering His benedictions on the community in the form of general well-being, good health and general prosperity. It is also a time to seek God's forgiveness for all the sins committed during the year. The first day of the festival witnessed the beating of the drums, playing of bugles, and the melodious tunes produced from the windpipe instruments called Katang Muri, heralding the beginning of the Bedding Clump festival.
Hero of Wasan, Bobumpo, Hayunanga, Hainipor. The Hainipor, what we are Pubor was now took Sora, the Conjurat, the Paki Plan. While the Timber going to be Islam on his name. The Bankrega, Omdumto, the country Perkat, the Borbru, the Alailang Hero, or the Angelai, Teddy Pola, the Alailang Hero, or the Ang Sorkar, Naventa, Jing Poor, young Gunny COVID-19. Nay ba ka nong rim yung ka Bedding Clump. Para sedang duduk di sini po na swa. To ka Bedding Clump. Go be ya ka clump ka dai. Na do jut isitom ibakta rep area yai thi yai phan yai kamai keji. Karam ta ya ka Bedding Clump. Da panbiang ka nay manta go be ya ka ni ka put wa ka sitom. Mi ka jing karmen wa hadir yung ka Bedding Clump. Kamara pangkrai dai maintain yo maya. Ya gari wa jai bro maya ya hukum ga adong yang tregerat wa blai wa kletam o bo riora o tek kunong thau o tek kon gariat o tek pa kram wara kulai tibon ka Bedding Clump su ko ben yang ko nis dang de ni uman ga jinggot ko ya wara o chan kulai tibon o masa ko ni to ko ni mulong yang ka ni wa ar yang ka tayau Bedding Clump so ni le yau Koman kesni kolira ya Bedding Clump na kiklo kikidam kepada pengkrai nai bantawan ra cha ulung pedai Bedding Clump to kanong rim ke yong ki yoman ki ding se ding chat ki ding dua hai ding kapat yoman ki ding ko yuk jet yuk ti yong ki blai heu yo penye yong chnong yong thau ne hai yong asem yo tempat yo be ya kan ke Clump na ko chnong thau na ko gari ba jai guru yo Ram ta jing pakre mestep man ga haju idur yo yalai lang chiru gi bor yang ga ai ha to ki het nong o him dia ga jing klik yong ki na do o mi gina kilom na gi nong yong ki ado po chlo kam jo la ado po yang gi te jung yong ki ha ga jing pala yong ge nong mestep ni bor ni.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.